Welcome back, guys. We're out here at the farm again, and today we had an opportunity we could not pass up. Franklin Equipment Rentals has a, hey, there's Terry, has a holiday deal. You pay for 2 days, you get 11 days rentals. So we've got a Wacker Neuson ST35 and an EZ53 with a 15-degree tilt. That's pretty cool. We might show you that later.
Yeah, it drives like a little granny. I could run
oh
circles
man,
around him with that skid steer.
Mini X's are so slow. But today, right now, we're going to start digging some stumps, and Dad's going to move some mulch we've had out here forever.
Yeah.
So we'll get a lot of stuff done today, hopefully, and start moving forward and knock some big trees down soon as well.
It's not far from Taco Dog though.
No, it's not. Taco Dog will be coming in very soon. It's about 9:30. They open at 11. We like to turn the light on the open sign when we walk through the door.
They sell tacos, quesadillas, hot dogs, all kind of hot dogs, and
cheeseburgers.
And that's what they just started with, cheeseburgers. So they really need to change the name to Taco Dog Burger.
Yeah, the Terry Burger.
There you go.
All right, guys. We hope you enjoy this. We're gonna get started.
Let's do it. Well, guys, this is the end of a long day. It's about to get dark, and we've got a lot accomplished. We got all the stumps out pretty much that we had of the trees cut down that were cut down. They were the smaller ones. Need to make room for these bigger trees that we want to control. We got a transformer right over here and power pole and whatnot. So anyway, we just dropped one tree. We got a bunch more to drop here yet. Then we're going to scalp the topsoil out of here once we get all these roots out, pile it up, save it. When we get down to the red clay, that's when we're going to come in with our transit and start figuring out exactly where we're going to put this building and get it nice and level, so we'll be ready for it whenever we get to that stage. It's working out great. The machines have been awesome.
Yeah, like Dad said, the equipment has been phenomenal. Every time we've rented from Franklin, really a great place to go. They keep it up extremely well. And you know, people are going to be rough on equipment. Actually, check out the video linked up here talking about rental equipment. You know, people put a lot of money into maintaining rental equipment, and when you take it out and beat it up and destroy it, that makes it harder on everybody else because they eventually have to go up on their prices to make up for the fact that people are destroying their equipment.
And I've had people say, well, just, you know, ram the fool out of that stump with that skid steer. I'm like, I'm not going to do that. It'd tear it up. He said, what do you care? It's a rental.
Yeah.
They'll fix it. You know, and I'm like, yeah, but if they have to keep fixing it all the time because of stupid moves like that, it's going to cost me more next time.
Yep.
You know, it costs everybody more.
People don't think about ahead. They think about right now, and right now will get you nowhere. So think long term. That's what we're doing here. We're thinking long term. It was a good deal on this stuff. We want the shop. Why not clear for it and save some money?
It could happen in the next couple months, or it might not happen for 6 months. We may get on these houses first. We're not sure.
You know, you guys know by now we're kind of ADD. We jump around a little bit, so we'll see what happens.
We like to have a lot of stuff going on.
Yes, we do. Oh, another thing. You know, we've been digging a lot of stumps. Each species of stump has its own way it needs to be dug, and in order to see how those different stumps need to be dug up, check the video linked right up here. We have a detailed stump digging video. And you know, some of these, it's just all top roots like poplars, they rip right out. You get to a sweet gum, you've got a nasty tap root, and it takes a lot of work. So really, it's a good video to watch if you're gonna be digging stumps up. It really helps, I think.
Now, is that the video where Batman made a cameo appearance?
Batman makes a cameo appearance.
Yes, he does.
Yeah. Hey, these things move slow, you get bored. You got to take up the time somehow. But we got a nice mud pit coming. It's supposed to pour down rain tonight and tomorrow, so it'll be nasty. But tomorrow's Christmas Eve, so we wouldn't really be out here that much anyway. And then Friday's Christmas Day. It should dry up.
If it didn't rain, we'd be out here.
Yeah, we would.
Christmas Day, the women would be calling. The dinner's ready. It's getting cold. Are you coming home to eat?
Yeah, we like to work.
Yeah, we'll be there in a little bit.
Yeah, but Friday it should dry up some. Saturday, Sunday we'll be back out here. A lot goes into clearing out for a shop, especially when you got a forest to clear.
Yeah. It's work. It's hard labor.
But we thoroughly
enjoy it. One thing for sure. We started this project with pickup truck and a Husky 455 chainsaw.
Yes, we did.
And we lugged log after log after log out of here. And then we finally got this old beat up, I don't even call it a skid steer, it was a jalopy.
It was a jalopy. 3 bald tires that were going nowhere.
We didn't have to pay for it.
Yeah, you can't argue with free.
But it was always muddy. And when you try to go with 3 bald tires and 1 brand new tire, that brand new tire would dig in. So if you tried to go forward, it tried to turn left because it was a back right tire.
Yeah.
If you try to go backwards, it tried to spin. No, it spin this way. Yeah.
It was always going one direction. You didn't want it to go, and the wobbler was messed up, so it didn't want to engage and turn left.
Yeah.
So it was kind of like Derek Zoolander. It couldn't turn left. Yeah. So
it wasn't good.
It was a mess, but it's been a progression, and we are getting there. And quality equipment. I'm pointing over there because the Mini X is sitting over there. Quality equipment makes all the difference in the world.
It does.
Yeah. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. We got to round it up, and we got some electrical work to go do. And
don't lie, we're going to eat taco dog.
We're going to eat taco dog again. Then we're going to do electrical work. Yeah.
We're doing electrical work at night so we can work over here in the daytime.
That's exactly right.
But you got to do what you got to do.
That's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, give us a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Check us out on Instagram or Facebook. And have a good one, guys.
See you next time.